How to open TikTok in mute. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can open TikTok in mute mode so that you can browse videos silently. So this is useful if you're in public or you just want a quieter experience. So we'll show you how to do this on both of your Android and iPhone devices. So now let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open your TikTok application, log into your account, and make sure that the TikTok application is also up to date. Now, once you're there, tap on your profile picture in the bottom of the screen, then tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right and go to Settings and Privacy. Now, scroll down and tap on Playback option that you will find between Audience Controls and Display. Once you're in this page, toggle the option of Open TikTok on mute. Turn this on, and now when you open TikTok, videos will be muted by default. So if you want to unmute a video, just tap the volume button on the video, and that's it. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.